Good morning, children. Now, after the explanation of the poem books, we are going to do workbook exercise. We are going to do exercise in the workbook. Books. Text based questions. Read the extracts given below and answer the following questions. Read the extract given below and answer the following question. First, we will read the extract. I opened one up. I opened one up and sat down to look. And sat down to look. The pictures told stories. The picture told stories. What a wonderful book. What a wonderful book. What did the poet do? What did the poet do? The poet opened one book. पोएट ने क्या किया? उसने एक बुक ओपन करी. How did the poet understand the stories in the book? How did the poet understand the stories in the book? The pictures told the stories in the book. The pictures told the stories in the book. What kind of a book was it? What kind of a book was it? It was a picture book. कैसी टाइप की बुक थी? पिक्चर बुक थी. It was a picture book. Antonyms of wonderful is awful, pleasant, terrific, cool. What is the antonym wonderful? It is awful. The pictures told stories. The picture told stories in the sentence. Pictures is which part of speech? Picture is which part of speech? Adjective, verb, noun, none of this. It is a noun. It is a noun. Short answer type questions. What did the library door say? The library door said, "Come in, come in." The library door said, "Come in, come in." What did the poet in the poem books see on opening the library door? What did the poet in the poem books see on opening the library door? The poet saw books galore. The poet saw books galore. What kinds of books were there? There were tall, skinny, little fat books. कैसी टाइप की बुक्स थी? There were tall, skinny, little fat books. Okay, now language based question. Match the things mentioned in column A to the place they belong in column B. Column A we will read books, students, toys, animal, flowers. Column B, toy shop, library, zoo, garden, school. Now we have to do the matching, but we will write the numbers over here. We will not draw the lines. We will do the numbering over here. Column A, books. So the correct answer in column B is library over here. So library. 2 numbers, students. Students are found in the school. So here we will write 2 number. Toys. Toys are found in the toy shop in column B. So toy. Animals. Animals are found in the zoo. They are found in the zoo. Flowers. Flowers are in the garden. So we will write over here flowers. Circle the subject and underline the predicate in the following sentences. Here what we have to do? We have to circle the subject and underline the predicate in the following sentences. 1. The poet saw a lot of books in the library. So the poet is subject. We have circled the poet and we have underlined saw lot of books in the library. 2 number. The books were kept on the shelf. So circle on the books and were kept on the shelf, underline. 3 number. Some books were kept in a standing position. So 3 numbers, some books circle and were kept in standing position, underline it. 4 number. The poet opened one of the books. So the poet circle and open one of the books, underline. That is the predicate. The pictures in the book were very interesting. The pictures circle, that is the subject. In the book very interesting is predicate. So underline. So the poet subject saw a lot of books in the library, predicate. The book subject were kept on the shelf, predicate. Some books were kept in the standing position. Some books subject were kept in a standing position, predicate. The poet subject opened one of the books, predicate. The picture subject in the books were very interesting, predicate. Complete the following sentences using your own imagination. Books are on the shelf. Here we have to make our own sentences using our own imagination. Books are on the shelf. In a library there are so many books. We find books in the library. There are so many books in the library. I like stories book. Again we will read. Books are on the shelf. In a library there are so many books. We find books in the library. There are so many books in the library. I like story books. Write antonyms of the following words. Come, go, open, close, wide, narrow, tall, short. So, dear children, complete this exercise in your workbook with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.